Welcome to another Sunday Junk Journal Snacks episode. As always, we are working in Nadia's beautiful journal, which is just about to burst out of its seams. It is getting increasingly difficult to work in this journal, but we're just going to go ahead. I wanted to play with my newest paper collection, which is the Egyptian kit called My Heart is in Egypt. If you are interested in seeing how this kit was made and everything that goes into making a journal kit, please find that video linked below. This kit has been a collaboration with my wonderful friend Ray, who made most of the images here, which are absolutely fabulous. In that video, I just talked about, I explain all the symbolism and everything, what this kit means to me. And I should probably mention, in case you missed it in the title, at the end of this video, I'm going to be drawing the 12 winners for the Defemember giveaway. So here I'm tearing up some of my papers from the backgrounds. And I was trying to construct something which is kind of hard to explain, and I do mess up, but it works out in the end. So first I'm making a collage, and I'm using some Arabic script from my book that I found. I'm just covering up those white parts. So in the back is the image of the Egyptian scarab, which I will write about later on this page, and I will read to you about the symbolism of this Egyptian scarab. So this is the other side of this flip thingy that I want to make. And yeah, I shouldn't have glued it down there where I did, so now I'm peeling it off again because my idea was to glue it around this page so that the scarab will kind of go over both pages. And this side was going to be a pocket or a tuck spot, actually. See, I still mix up these two terms. And again, I'm putting down some Arabic book page, and then I'm stiffening up that flap there because I wanted that to be a pocket which isn't too flimsy. Then I'm adding some gesso on top of the book page because that was just too loud, that book page. And here I'm taking one of my large tags from the ephemera set. And by the way, of course, this kit is linked below. The backgrounds and the ephemera pieces are separate. And I'm tearing out this image of the Sphinx. And I'm trying to find the perfect place for it. And I decide then to actually glue that over both pages and to make this into a double spread on this side. That was a spontaneous decision. I really love that wallpaper right there that Nadia has included, but I did want to cover that up because I had to include this beautiful Egyptian dragonfly stamp that I got from my friend Eman in Cairo. Thank you so much again, Eman. It's my favorite stamp. Now I'm gluing down this tuck spot, and I'm cutting out this floral tag here to put into the tuck spot. I'm backing it with some cardstock to make it more stiff. Then I wanted to decorate it up a little more, so I took a piece of baby pink lace. I'm just roughing it up a little bit, and then adding some petals, which by coincidence were exactly the same kind of petals that were in the digital. And so I'm gluing those down on the top. And since there was a hole in that flower, I wanted to cover up that hole with something, and I'm going into my little bowl of bling, and I'm trying to find the perfect piece to fit onto that hole. None of these seem to work, but finally I found a golden sequin, which is what I just glued on top with my PVA glue, and I really love how that looks. Totally not the color scheme of my journal, but I went with it anyway. This side I wanted to leave as a flip out, and there was too much empty space there, so I decided to cover that up with some more Arabic book page. Added some gesso over that, just to kind of grunge everything up a little more. Then I'm taking my Neon Caran d'Ache water-soluble wax pastel and my water brush, and just to add some kind of like a sky. And now I'm taking my Honey Distress Dauber, and I wanted to make a sun out of that. The color didn't quite work out the way I wanted it to, so I made another sun on the book page directly, and that had the yellow I was looking for. And then I just used some gesso to kind of integrate that more into the page. And now I am writing about the winged scarab. So the winged scarab has bird wings to ensure rebirth of the deceased and peaceful flight into the afterlife. It's a symbol of renewal and rebirth, and the connection between the beetle and the sun was so close that the young sun god was thought to be reborn in the form of a winged scarab beetle every morning at sunrise. So that's why I really wanted to have that sun there. For those that don't know, I have a special connection to Egypt since my hubby is Egyptian, and I have been there many, many times, and I love that country. And so it makes me so happy to have this spread in my journal. And now I'm just closing that flap with one of the Tim Holtz paper clips. So let's move on to the giveaway. So 12 coupons, 12 winners, 10 euros each. The giveaway question was, what does crafting mean to you? And I will only read that part of the comment because we have too many. So the first lucky winner is Brenda Myers. And Brenda says, I love crafting. It keeps me in the moment and all the everyday stresses in life fall away. Thanks for the inspiration. Congratulations, Brenda. And our second winner is Lynn Feemster. And Lynn says, journaling has given me purpose since my retirement and makes me happy. Congratulations, Lynn. Let's see who is our winner number 3. Debbie V. And Debbie says, for me, crafting has been very healing and it brings so much joy. Congratulations, Debbie. Looking for winner number 4, Memory Keeper Journals. And she says, this is Lucy, honestly, crafting has encouraged me to create and share with others how much I love creating, learning new ways to express myself and share with others how we can use crafting as a coping mechanism to help us all through very difficult times. Congratulations, Lucy. Moving on to winner number 5, Dancing Scaraby. And she says, I craft because aside of relax and meditation, it gives me the feeling of going against entropy, a small and insignificant yet valid battle, each small creation at a time. Congratulations. Winner number 6 is Mary Burris. And Mary says, crafting helps with my stress levels. It has really helped me in the last couple of years. Congratulations, Mary. Our 7th winner is Matilda Enland. Matilda says, crafting is very important to me as I love crafting for myself and sharing craft with others. Congratulations, Matilda. Winner number 8 is Mary Millem. And Mary says, I live in an area that has continued to be high transmission. Finding you in Louisa and junk journaling has provided me hours each day of peace and joy. Congratulations, Mary. Winner number 9 is Iris N. Short and sweet, crafting soothes the soul. Congratulations, Iris. Moving on to number 10, Heart of Homemade. I do this type of artwork because I find it is where I learn the most about myself. Congratulations. Our second to last winner is Ulrike Fair. Oh, we have a German comment. Okay, let me first read the German part. Es hilft mir abzuschalten von dem Arbeitsstress und kreative Ideen umzusetzen. Außerdem habe ich durch das Basteln schon viele nette Leute kennengelernt. So in English, it says, it helps me to get away from daily work stress and to realize creative ideas. In addition, I have met many nice people through crafting. Congratulations, Ulrike. Herzlichen Glückwunsch, liebe Ulrike. And the final winner for today is Fairy Crafting and Collector. And she says, crafting has literally saved my life. I suffer from a lot of mental health issues. And if it wasn't for creators like you and Louisa, I would have fell into a bit of despair. I love crafting, and now that I have found this challenge, I have more reasons to get better through art. So thank you so very much for all you do. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much, and congratulations. Thank you so much to everyone who has participated. I still can't say it. Defemember was absolutely incredible. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video, even if maybe you didn't win. If you are one of the lucky winners, please contact me via email 49dragonflies@gmail.com. It's also down in the description box to claim your coupon code. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. Thank you so much for the past year. It's been incredible, and I hope to see you back here throughout the year. I love you guys so much. Mwah! Mwah!